Listen, we get that you want to make the most of your shop time, so Leigh Tools offers industry-leading customer support. What if we told you that Leigh Tools also has step-by-step online instructional videos for every product we sell? And the best part, they're completely free. These videos are the perfect complement to our user guides and can be viewed right at your bench while you work. So, how do I watch these videos? Start by going to leightools.com. Under the Support tab, choose Instructional Videos and User Guides. This takes you to a page that lists all of our products. Simply find your gear and click the link. Many of our videos match the user guide chapter for chapter. You can watch the complete video or jump ahead to any chapter you want. Our instructional videos are straightforward, in-depth, step-by-step demonstrations of how to use your jig. We'll cover off all the common and not so common operations. And if we think of new ones, we'll add an update for that too. If you navigate back to the chapters page, you'll find you can download electronic versions of our user guides too, for those who've lost theirs or want to go paperless. All free of charge. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to keep up to date on all Leigh Tools products, tutorials, and info.